Applying the thinset. The last video ended before I was ready for it too. Alright, so now we're going to apply the thinset. Alright. Let's get this spread out there. Okay. I'm going to cover that tape, and that's why I put tape over the holes. Okay, but I'm going to drag this across the tape. All right. So let's get this spread out now. All right. Okay, now. Okay, getting this spread out. Alrighty. I'm getting this spread. Okay. All right, now we're getting these leveled in position. All right, I'm adjust it here. Okay. Cleaned out. Okay. Now, right, this needs to go down to level. All right, and this needs to go down here. All right, then here a little more. Okay, that looks good. That looks good. All right, just come down a little bit right here. Okay. Looks good. Okay, this has to come down a little more over here. Okay, now make sure okay, so we have space from the wall. All right. And now, all right, also have to come here and bring this so that the joints line up. Okay. Okay. Alright, now this joint's all cleaned out, and that'll be set pretty good. Gotta adjust them, keep it tight, the joint's tight. Alright, now let's get this here cleaned up so we can lay the next tiles down. Alright. Now, okay, now I've put a skim coat. I've taken off the excess across this front edge about 1 inch, 3/4 of an inch. Alright, and that way it doesn't squish anything out. I've come back here. Alright, over here. Okay, and this is back about 3/4 of an inch so it don't squish out and end up on this rail. Alright, so we don't have any interference. Okay, now I'm going to take this and put this here. Alright. Okay, let's get another one. Okay, for over here. Alright, now I'm going to wipe this edge down, make sure there's nothing there to interfere. Alright, all edges are clean. Alright, now we carefully kind of get this in position. Lay this down in there. Alright. Okay, now.
I forgot about the roast.
Oh, sure did. Glad you're here. Okay. Now we got that in there. This one over here. Now we can check our margins across the edge. Alright. So let's bring this over so you can see what's going on. Alright, let's check this here. Okay, check this here. Alright, that's looking good. Center, looking good. Here at the joint, it's looking good. Coming across over here, it's looking good. Alright, now let's get this level here. Alright. Okay, now that's almost level. This is marble, so we have to be very careful with it. Okay. Okay, now very carefully pressing down to get this level, shaking a little bit. Level that way. Level that way. Alright. Now across the joint, does it teeter-totter? No, it doesn't teeter-totter. Alright, we're good. We're good. Alright, teeter-totters a little bit there. Alright, so gotta bring this down a tad. Okay. Now let's get this joint cleaned out. All right. Okay, get that all cleaned out. And we're good. All right, there you have it. Next, I will be doing another video, maybe drilling the holes out and showing you how I'm going to approach the holes for the drain and for the waterfall faucet. I'll be doing my custom section here where I'm going to be using this cross. I'm going to do something special with that for the centerpiece. All right. Okay, now this is the blue the cross is going to get painted with, and it should just really pop. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you how to do this centerpiece and backsplash, coring out the holes for this vessel sink and the waterfall faucet. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Now on the edges, okay, I come back about an inch, 3/4 of an inch on the tile because I put a skim coat of thinset on the back of every tile, all right, to assure a good adhesion to the thinset for its bonding purposes, all right, just to reassure it. It was more comfortable with that than this being marble, okay, because it's a softer material. I'll be putting a bullnose in place, polishing after I create the bullnose, and I'll be doing a video on that. It'll all be in my playlist. So share, tell a friend, thumbs up, tell a neighbor, your buddy, girlfriend, whoever about my channel. Help me out. It's a win-win for everybody. And if they have any questions, feel free to ask. I know when I started this process, I was trying to reach people and talk to them, and it was really difficult. There's one guy I was able to speak to, and I had to join a little community, which was okay. It was really inexpensive. But anyways, nobody would hardly talk to you. This one guy did. Two guys have, actually, in the very, very beginning. But I had to join their community. I had to pay a little bit, not much. But my point is I'm putting myself out there, making myself available. So I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to answering questions, doing a phone conversation. So help me out. Tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell the neighborhood. I look forward to hear from you. So remember, easy 2 tips and tricks where you see everything up close and personal. And never give up, because there's always a way. Always. And there is. We just got to find out what the way is. Alright. So remember, around the edges, it's got to sit down on this rail on top of the cabinet. It's going to drop. Then I'm going to anchor it. I'll show you how I'm going to anchor it when I get to that point. So follow me through. And I look forward to hear from you. Bye for now. God bless.